firefighting systems we can open only after master orders.
Yes, yes.
Only after master orders.
Mga yo! Isang mapagpalang araw sa lahat. Panibagong vlog na naman ngayong taon. At dahil ako ay bagong sampa, ililibot muna ako ni Junior Third para mag-ships familiarization. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo sa mga nagpapa-shoutout sa atin. Una, sa kaklase ko nung high school na sundalo na ngayon at isa sa mga bayani natin. Shoutout sa mga tropa mo na magigiting din sa 27 IB Action Battalion. Sana lagi kayong mag-ingat at lagi kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoon. Shoutout din kina Mara Danrib, Empoy Aguirre Caminse, Si Businessman Seaman. Thanks mga yo. At gaya ng dati, bago tayo mag-umpisa, ipasok na muna natin yung intro.
Ako si Yomas.
Ako nga pala si Yomas.
Ako si Yomas.
And yo, first stop ay emergency generator ang una naming pinuntahan. At kung paano ito i-operate, sasabihin niya ni Junior Third. Kaya siya ay ating pakinggan.
But one time already was.
Yeah.
We switch from auto to manual and press this button. Maybe need to keep 2-3 seconds. So, and after start. If no start from this button, what we do? We pull this down.
Okay.
After we push 90 degrees this red and take this handle, connect here, and start rolling until here you see now green.
Yeah.
Must be red.
It must be red, yeah.
So you rolling until red,
Yeah.
and after this handle push back to this position.
Okay.
Pagtapos namin sa emergency generator, dun naman kami sa fire station mga bay. Kung saan pag merong nangyaring sunog, ito ang gamit namin pamatay.
My cabin, suits for firemen, bottles with containing breathing apparatus. So you're fireman, you remember?
Yeah, okay.
So here your suit, your scuba. One more we have in engine room, in steering gear. But when drill, usually we take from here, because here two suits firemen and one spare. We take one spare, not take from engine room when drill. So, but you must know that in engine room we have one more. Also here VHF, now one out of order, we ordered new one, and international shore connections.
Yeah.
So you know what is it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you know first time, more experience than me.
Pagtapos ipaliwanag yan lahat ni Junior Third, dun naman kami sa CO2 room mga palangga. Kasi pag di na talaga kinaya ang apoy, ito ang last option namin, CO2, para ang apoy tuluyang mawala.
We can start this from CO2 system from this panels. So firstly, this is the main cabinet. Here we must open valves. Where is this valves? These two valves we must open. You see?
Yeah, the two valves.
Yes. These two valves give pressure and give permission to open valves from zones. So we have first zone deck 1, 4, second zone 5, 8, third zone 9, 10, and also this engine room. Yeah, engine room. So in case of fire, for example, deck 6, firstly we open two valves here,
two valves, yeah.
and after proceed to zone 2.
And what is the zone?
And here you see we have some valves D, A, B, C. So step by step, firstly need open A, B, C. A, B, C we open in, and all CO2 gas start proceed to the cortex.
Okay.
This all cabinets on key here. here all
This is
same,
CO2.
all
Yeah.
same. So this is the repeaters. This two CO2 tank, you see?
Mhm.
One, and also you can see here second.
Yeah, it's too big.
So the same key, and in case of this out of order, we can manually open.
Ah, this
what
is
it
the manual. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
but if we open manually, we can break something. So, but in case of fire, when we use, I think when we use the CO2 system, we don't care about that was something broken or some. Firstly, we need to fight the fire. So if you forgot how to use it, if something happened, if the system out of order, you come here,
Manual.
open, and don't care about anything.
Yeah.
All fixed fire systems, so all fixed firefighting systems, we can open only after master orders.
Yes, yes.
Only after master orders. So even if you see that something happened,
Mm-hmm.
firstly you need advice with master. So and after master chief engineer, second engineer, and until me the lowest officer. Come to live work.
Doon na sana kami sunod sana sa lifeboat, kaso di na ma-explain sa atin ni Third kasi nalawbat yung camera ko. Kaya ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo at basahin nyo na lang yung instruction pag may oras kayo. Tsaka pinuntahan na din namin yung aming rescue boat at tsaka yung aming life prop. At hanggang dito na lang muna ako. At sa muli, ako si Yongas at maraming salamat.